Hi guys. We have a complete cranial courses. We have head and sutures and we have nasal and ears. Did you realize that the zygomatic arch used to be an independent bone here? This is the backside of your cheekbone, but it fuses into your temporal bone as well as the mastoid. Cranial movements isn't about learning every aspect of anatomy. There's many great courses for that. This is to learn about functional movements through cranial movements. And for you to have certain developmental features or developmental milestones, these milestones are meant to happen in your system, but can be traumatized. Now, it doesn't matter if you've had a baseball to the head, or those kind of big force traumas, or you've face planted. My gosh, can you imagine what we've done, just from getting to 10 years old as far as our movements? But learning about cranial lifts, and that's what you're going to get in the course. And the reason I'm talking about it, because I'm just doing a special holiday. You get full access to my course for 3 weeks for $200. It is really a substantial course, and it will teach you all about cranial movements. When you're coming in here with the cranial lifts, you're coming underneath the zygomatic arch. People that have tinnitus in the ear, jaw abnormalities, but more so, I always go after that vision. So one of the things with vision, let me see your eyes, coming in there. See that peripheral vision that he has, right? Well, the counter to that vision is the zygomatic arch, the back part of your cheekbone. And so again, working in with that cranial lifts, and then also, guess what? Each bone in the skull has a midline point. That's something that you're going to get out of the course, right there. So now see, this is how I'm evaluating his midline. And again, you'll learn this to every bone in the skeletal system in the head. I'm just coming across, and I'm just seeing where he's crossing midline. But right here, he wants to give me a little bit of trouble. And these are some of the troubleshootings that you're going to be learning going into that. There he goes. And guess what? He gets a really big release in the neck and all of that. Now to look at his peripheral. So whether you have a high-end athlete or more so what you use me for is for your special child, your practitioner, your professional, doesn't have to be a movement lesson practitioner, but you're a professional as well as a parent. This is an opportunity of a lifetime to get into the course and to learn about that. It is completely different and structured different than any other cranial courses because it's based off of cranial movements. The books aren't included at this price, but full access is for 3 weeks, and it starts December 29th. Always stay tuned in here and like Movement Lesson and subscribe to our YouTube, because that's where you're going to get all the information you need to help your child or help your family or help your professional life. Thanks, guys.